Konnichiwa guys! Alright, today we are in Nada, which is an area right in between of Osaka and Kobe.
Belongs to Kobe city, I think.
Yeah, belongs to Kobe, but yeah, it's just in between of the two cities. As you see, it's a rather grey and rainy day, but it doesn't really matter to us because we are actually going sake brewery hopping. It's 11 in the morning, please notice. Yeah, this area is very famous for sake breweries. It's actually famous but not so much within tourists, so I think it's gonna be pretty fun to just explore a more like untouristic area. Yeah, we're just gonna try different sake, maybe get a few bottles to bring home.
And why are we going here? Yeah, because Nada is one of Japan's most famous sake regions, sake brewing regions. I think they provide about 30% of Japan's total sake kind of production.
We have 3 breweries that we want to visit today. The first one, it's a very, very tiny one. It's one of the smallest breweries. That's where we're heading now.
Yes.
We reached the first sake brewery.
This one, Hamafukutsuru.
Hamafukutsuru. Maybe I will write it down. I know, it looks like perfume almost. How pretty.
Cherry that.
Maybe it's sakura. Look, it has the sakura.
Oh yeah, cherry.
Yeah. Do you want to start with the exhibition or having a look down here?
Should we start upstairs?
Yeah, let's start. So upstairs here they have an exhibition. So cute. And guys, look, that's the shop downstairs. We are literally the only customers. There is no one. So we need to try the sake ice cream. It's a very complex process anyway. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 steps. This is actually fun. So part of the process of the sake is to steam, and then after steaming the rice you need to cool it, but cold air is necessary for cooling. This process used to be done in early winter, so like you even have a specific temperature for cooling. Oh no, they're at work. This tiny room, what they do, they produce the premium sake. So it's a fermentation room where the rice grains, they are polished to the point that they come to half their size, and that helps to make the most premium sake there is. Some fresh sake air coming out from there. It's actually smelling so good. Smells fruity.
Yeah, it does. So
Nice. So when the bubbles are strong, it means that it's still like doing a proper fermentation. Then when they decrease, it means that it's almost done, basically. Arigato.
What a nice brewery you have here.
Sweet as well?
This one is fruity.
Fruity, nice. I like fruity.
It's normal.
More dry as well. A bit more dry. 40% size.
Size.
Yes,
Yes,
okay.
40% size.
What about this one?
This one, 45.
45%.
Yes.
This is like better.
Yeah, I
Because
prefer
the
that one too.
The smaller the rice and the better is the quality.
Ah, right.
That's what we learned.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we are already tipsy.
Already tipsy.
He gave
That
us
was
so much
a
tasting.
huge tasting.
Oh my god, so
And
many
we only have
things.
like 2 bananas and a small yogurt in my belly from
We
this
need
morning.
to stop for lunch before we go to the next brewery. So we literally tried every single snack here. They're all so good. This is like a biscuit. This is lemon flavored stuff, so good. This is rice cracker, maybe not my favorite. This was a bit too chewy and fishy. This was just like the consistency very nice, and this was super tasty. We're trying sake ice cream, which was like my goal for the day.
Why do I have the feeling that this is nicer than the the cod roe ice cream?
I have the same feeling actually. Alrighty, let's see. I like the texture, very very soft it looks like. It's a very delicate taste of sake. Very nice. Totally recommend it. So soft the ice cream also, it's so good. By the way, just so you know, all the sake tasting that we've done here, it was for free. And they made us try almost all the sake that they produce here. And Vincent is doing some researches online and found out that the majority of the sakes that they sell here, you cannot find them anywhere else in the world. They're just like produced here and maybe sold to little retailers around. Alrighty, we reached our second brewery. So hard to film with an umbrella, sorry if it's all bouncy.
We have two brands, Sensuke and Kosen. Junmai Ginjo.
Junmai Ginjo. No water?
No water.
Ah, okay.
And no pasteurized,
Okay, okay.
no filter.
Junmai Ginjo.
Bono.
美味しい。
Buono.
ありがとうございます。
Arigato. So what happened there?
Yeah, we walked into the wrong brewery. There are about 40 breweries in the area, but obviously only a few that you read about, like online, and a few more famous. So obviously a lot of ones that you don't
Yeah,
hear about. And this one didn't show on the map.
yeah,
And this thing showed that we were outside the one we were planning to.
yeah.
But then it turns out that that's next door.
Oh
so
my
we walked
God.
into the wrong.
So this is the right one. So this sake actually has been served at the Nobel Prize in Stockholm. This brewery has been passing 13 generations. Time for tasting again. Alright guys, we were having too much food, we were having too much drink and not enough food in our stomach. So we just stopped. There is literally, well, actually 2 restaurants here. I've got something like this, so it's like beef, an egg, and then I topped some tempura. And Vincent got something like with beef and onion. Is it tasty? Nice. And she told me that I need to add this in there. I have no idea what it is. And it costed 640 yen, which is literally nothing. It smells so good. This is probably the best thing that I ever ate in Japan so far. It's so good. Look at this meat. Look how it's like dripping of juice and stuff. Alrighty. So we visited 3 sake brewery. We bought 3 bottles of sake. Anyway, I really recommend anyone, if you have a spare day and you are staying in Osaka or in Kobe, just come here. Even if there is not so much to see around here, as you see, it's all completely residential, but it's a very nice and different experience, and it's still part of the Japanese heritage and
It's really
cultural.
cool because most of these breweries, they date back to like 16 and 1700.
Yeah, exactly. They are
like
very like
super
old and traditional. Hi guys, from Yellow Me and Vincent down there in the darkness. Alright, so we came home maybe 1 hour ago, more or less, a little bit less than an hour. And I was just doing all the backup of the videos and I realized that I didn't close this one. So just giving a recap, Vincent, what did you think of this day?
Very nice. Very nice. Interesting.
You wanna add something to very nice, interesting? So when we actually arrived to the brewery that has a museum in it, the museum was already closed, so we couldn't check it out basically. But anyway, it's all good. We still got to see other breweries. All of them, they pretty much have a little bit of explanation of how is processed the sake. But yeah, this museum one, it would have had more of the historical side. So that was a bit of a shame, but still we had a very nice day. But if you are short on time and let's say you're just heading from Osaka to Kobe, this area Nada is actually on the way to Kobe. So what I suggest is on your way to Kobe, not on the way back, but when you are going towards Kobe, just stop with the train, get off, go in one of the brewery, like just do some researches online, select which one you think is your favorite one. Just hop off, get your bottle of sake and then hop on the train again. Why I'm saying go before going to Kobe, not after being in Kobe, is because they all close pretty early. So 5 o'clock, the latest one is closing pretty much. Wait for the next episode. Thank you for watching. Ciao Vincent!